Bema Oyakwa Eba GC News, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And over the Bramo. Hopeson Adorye of free NPP Man say and several of YouTubers are now occupy Net2 TV. Captain Smart Jubilee House or the Sama Expóse Bawumia on the Saudi King project. One cast one day the young project. And on a Hopeson occupy what they own some of the. Now say they go let's just say so we don't subscribe here. Let's just say over subscribe. We have a say over click the subscribe button. Now we have notification. We have a new video be uploaded. Also was ever Kennedy. I feel we are now like give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Share my offer for sooner when you be now watching. I feel you call a year and singing. Hopeson Adorye movement for change. Because I'm a Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng. Just say, free NPP need to say, or TTMP, or papa. Now, one year people need papa who could share with smart to maybe any phone. And now, a project be about Bawumia as is all NPP for flag bearer. Since a vice president. And no, what they and simply a preview what you say, Bawumia can say on this Saudi king. The day project be one of the medical center. I will know the radio home and 42 SHS block. The PIM you whom baby are Kwaku and no, Hopeson Adorye who sent to your own matter say people would be who be a new year. We simply pretty now. I am somewhere in tomorrow. You call a cup your friend say Hopeson Adorye catching equity and some year Hopeson Eddie Etruga. It is our course. It's your.
But yeah, Munko so defend it because the anyone is about Tamaso, Munko position. And Alan Germany take over. Adamu diplomacy. Kwanya Befa so ABCC crew nafa. What I say? Because so why not decisive leadership?
You're watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
What to Abama no Beka just say someone who can't what can't treble in a joke. What could Jina so for him? I saw for him. Now, what me did watch the now, what go back and say, my comment was a joke. Now, who you gonna need? Let me say so about Cathedral BC. Me obwa? What catch the what mini evidence in Joe? What catch the for say, Saudi King, what in agreement, or Muba BC, you can say mosque, Amomo, Ewo, Abuso kind, or Muba BC 42 senior, can say, secondary schools, Ediama, Islamic community. Any other Ewahiva.
Hey,
Ewahiva.
Also, Saudi King. Also, Obeb support, Obeb Moments in Bois.
Or no, or say, or no, aqua arrangement. It's arrangement of Ewahiva.
Me koje, me no be cancel and Obama support to me kakra. Na ye court no also na de new train kakra. And just me did draw.
For 8 years, Chairman. For 8 years.
Chairman,
for 8 years.
What catch our master will train school fees in fear what you know to feel no train as a also be see mosque
for school fees.
Also be see 42 mosques.
No,
I'm an Islamic community. The schools.
I have not seen it. I don't know where you are coming from.
I don't know how. What's some promises in neighbor?
What you are talking about? So, Kojo say obesity.
Away. Okay,
Chairman,
it was published in
and then I can be about education.
CTFM
website.
Dabeng.
What
Dabeng. Headline and then come here. Headline I here.
Any. Saudi King to build medical university 42 as a so and so in Northern.
Saudi King. Saudi King to
build medical university.
Build medical University
42 SHS.
What the train? I know the number. We are quiet the number. Okay,
this is City. August 11, 2019. August 11.
Saudi King to build City FM. City FM.
Yeah.
August 11, 2019.
Oh, you are.
Saudi King to build medical university. 42 senior high schools in northern region. Vice President Dr. Mahama has unveiled plans for the construction of a medical university in the northern part of our country. The proposed university is part of a program from the Saudi government which includes the construction of 42 senior high schools. That's a quotation. I'm also glad to announce that the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has accepted another proposal by government of Nana Akufo-Addo to establish a medical school in the northern region of Ghana. There are many brilliant students from the Zongo and other deprived communities who have had their dreams of becoming doctors shattered due to lack of funding. This program would come as a welcome opportunity for such students to realize their God-given talents.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Between the government of Ghana and Cuba will produce more doctors from Zongo and other deprived communities in the country. Chamai.
Why are there pass what kinds of
speaking at the Independence Square? Speaking at the Independence Square during the event to mark Eid al-Adha.
Yes.
Said the move, when implemented, will provide opportunities for the youth to pursue science-based courses and improve academic outcomes.
Just oppose it with John 8:44.
You see, I'm the pastor of
Graphic Online.
Also, what kind?
Chairman, Graphic Online. Saudi King promises to build medical universities and 42 senior high schools. Vice President Bawumia.
Thank you.
Ghana Web. Saudi Arabia to build medical university. 42 senior high schools for Ghana and university. Bawumia. Who is going to question Saudi King?
Captain, what can I say? Omode Zongo community Omode Zongo guys be I'm say no more 40 or so. Some more call medical school or Cuba. And Bawumia promises say every year.
Captain,
a team of Nabotre, Mama Nusi,
now what can I say? Now, what of us about? We say that Saudi King promises what about BC University?
All right.
All right. In 2019,
okay.
They come with also about Saudi or Macron, you ever see Saudi King and my messing to Bawumia for.
Yes, Anete.
Or
say a proposal
sent to him.
Yes, by the government of Ghana sent.
And the man has not.
But now,
the Saudi King has not come to
there's this man called. There's a medical doctor, Dr. Edward Kwame Poku, consultant physician specialist, Germany. Or say, what appears to be good news must be thoroughly and properly analyzed for various reasons. One. Chairman,
you are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Okay,
Hot news all time.
Why did this information come from the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, a known Muslim, instead of the pronouncement made by the Foreign Affairs Minister of Ghana? This is questionable. B, how did Ghana, a Christian nation, come to be rewarded by a Muslim nation?
Yeah.
3, why should these projects be located in a predominantly Muslim part of Ghana and nowhere else? D, has the Vice President ever questioned the Saudis about the inhuman treatment of Ghanaians looking for greener pastures there? E, is the Vice President seeking his personal interest or the interest of African Union? And how true that within the next 1 year, the Saudi Arabia government would even build one college?
The man, in his own wisdom, sent a proposal to the Saudis. Say, university, medical school, or north for because Ghana medical schools in our here. Or pursue you could see you. Was Mr. Saudi King, Saudi Arabia, Pachobet Boye, or so Magiatum. That was in 2019. Wouldn't break here but to be a senior. Papa's of ABC, University of Mayan. COVID Abeshim, or Mammy Tria, or Mammy C, and not says Dr. Mahama Bawumia, or didn't drop.
Chairman.
So I call what they all want now, can you? One now can you? Or about the proposal call.
Chairman.
Papa Chairman. Who call bank? Who call pay?
Oh, Chairman.
Before that, Chairman.
Chairman. Agenda 111. Mosha say here.
Oh, after the COVID.
Na yare be na ne ho.
COVID the year.
Na COVID na ne ho.
Yes.
But that time,
that is when we saw say
Ghana
here hospitals. There was 88 districts. Hospitals.
What the vice president said. This is a quotation from City Newsroom.
What's it there?
I am also glad to announce.
Thank you. That
the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia has accepted.
Thank you. Oma accepted
another proposal
from Messi 42 hospitals.
Chairman train. Another proposal, meaning a proposal for Froko. They have accepted another. That is, they have accepted a previous proposal.
Yes.
So they have accepted another proposal by the government of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo to establish a medical school in the northern region of Ghana. Asem we Bawumia boa or the asem kwehye Saudi king. Oh yeah na kwehye Saudi Arabia king na twa draw. But nkramofo mpanifo ndi draw.
The man
this is a lie.
Has told you say Omo de Akufo-Addo government omo the proposal come Saudi for.
Ma Saudi for Agyarko. Afetie de to.
Omo am fact
ono an the proposal ko enti Agyarko mu a adenti na implement here.
Agyarko make up loan bank for Agyarko so
memorandum of understanding. Yenya this enya no keke Agyarko no aba na so. There will be a signing of a agreement and I say MOU
of the agreement be kire wa be hu wo be hwe.
Na Saudi
agreement be kire.
You are requesting for it. You are demanding for it. And I'm saying that this agreement about Agyarko.
Moka ye gidi. Na we there papa na draw 42 senior high schools in the northern region alone. But
I see embassy 42 senior high schools
in the northern region.
I see hospital no cannot.
Vice President Dr. Mahama Bawumia has unveiled plans for the construction of a medical school and 42 senior high schools in northern parts of the country.
All the 42.
Chairman, I didn't last year.
Now, okay. So you are saying
what the Kwaji vote one of Apaska
42 second.
This was 2019 for 2020
was it secondary schools or senior high schools?
Chairman. Senior high school and secondary school. What is the difference?
In the north.
What is the difference?
Okay. North for Vice President of South Africa, Saudi Arabia. Was say Ombabesi Ohino and me and Fama beginning the entire, but them Bawumia Bonnie and why yes we didn't to Alasenka or Kopesika Besi Hospital. I friends a medical school and 42 senior high schools amamo or north. Bawumia Bonnie and some
deputy CEO. What can I say no? I am very unfortunate. Very unfortunate.
So the Bonnie and why you say hospital.
Chairman, you know the gravity of what you were doing. We are talking about the Saudi king.
Yes. And he said he would do it. He has not done it.
And no. I yes Saudi king na you. Say Bawumia yema na Saudi Arabia for chantro.
What now do propose ako? So accept it obebwa. Enye by mouth.
Boni a wa ye aman ye trofo ye ni pa boni ni sen cap sremufu e. Me ko pes bibi free north your friend Saudi king ho e di abremo. Best ye see university you see a medical school. You see 42 senior high school.
Nobody is going to take you serious from today. Nobody is going to take you serious from today.
But Esremufu and Omati. The Mokano say
Assembly Okokai. Wanko Jina baby Nekayo. Ekremufu inertia. Why country 1 month.
Saudi, you hear doctors say, most nurses say, and Kayabe Sis University, but me and the bombing so who Saudi King so busy, the mum, or north.
You see,
and no one yet.
2019, Bessie, then the intimacy back.
Papa Noir or Cockatse no, out the 2 mono. Say, I could say, me no,
I don't know about me, or ye no Kwafwa. Way Saudi King, or ye big Islamic leader. Saudi King na ye kana semno. Saudi phone chantro. Ena Bawumia be catch Ghana for yina say Saudi hineno any Saudi Arabia or mining yina say one bebe see medical university. Now Amazongo no he specified said the Zongo needs to go university
doctor ebeye.
Honestly doctor ebeye.
Thank you.
They had the 42. Yeah, the 42 account.
Did that doctor? What do they have a Zongo fire doctor? I would just have this anyway. So, the doctor Mustafa Habib, Doctor Mustafa Habib, what is Zongo boy? Chairman, the born in the same. The born in the same. Thank you. Chairman, I could say the born in the same. Person dog Zongo for be doctors. The born in the Bawumia priority. Nothing for Chief Imam, will share no pay. Obey do who ya papa. You, oh, the Cassia,
Hopeson man kwasa say Saudi king adada Ghana
entro say you ko bisa say die ntimi ma ema so
and say Saudi for adada Ghana
ko bisa no okay on my timeline okay so we see in the
oh chairman
on my timeline
chairman
so if it comes to start tomorrow or next week what is your problem
bye
what's what betty obeye so cars obesi no china and now do na otubesi sometimes
one with the incompetence Wako ama ye ma obibi ti se grant we no akwa ye grant o wo ba besi ama free wuntuaka na se mo asensan krata na se wantima ndi akira ma eye super incompetence which as here na wasaba be gina nkemofo ni madada wo mo se ye ba be yese ya ma no mo ahwe wani mu a no wantima anye ekwa ko gina ho no mo se mediem na one is oji Bawumia di okroma bi
Bawumia ti mi akọ Saudi Arabia wako hu ohin no wose ohin ne mikro mufuo no
enye Bawumia de ko hu
hia a friends medical school person say doctors enti ka betimi aboa ohin so oh magia tum obai o de betu krabofu anim say nkramofu e asadu ya tenne Saudi king na gia tum so besi medical school amayen also besi 42 hospital SHS amayen ade chi and my Bawumia and then as well did.
Say
now dream power the cocoa pair by and the Bebuama. Saudi king also some mechanics are then Bawumia can or what and that's me. Yeah,
chairman 2019 basic 2024.
Say the end is
super incompetence.
So most countries that promise that's failed.
2019 COVID by 2019. Early 2019. Look at this.
Date now also
look at this.
Date no. You so mark here.
Look at this.
Date
chairman, August 12th.
Thank you.
2019 over early 2019. Huh? China.
China no they can the COVID they devastated and 2020.
Now I say Robena will play.
2020
COVID ba ha Robena will
2022 COVID effect I can see 2020 2021.
No, 22. That be your main cancer was the devastating effect. No, who say
effect
the homes in science. It came in 2022. That's
we were going
Yo, it's for winning and some of your Hopeson Adorye edit to out is a NPP Man and some barn or de basa. The winner project by Bawumia was one Saudi king, one day the Pimlet Young project and another NPP by own Kwaku Faswa will be defending home Chesaya and some jar. Because this so and all so we subscribe and say over subscribe and I like it. Now I watch a video overflow so in now water. Also getting actually working a fire and so we now ever comment boxing Mobati interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.